Hi again, everybody. It is the 5th of September, 2021, Sunday morning in the midst of Labor Day weekend. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel chart forecast for the coming week. So we've got this holiday period here to where I've drawn the blue line. So what would normally be the Sunday night open picks up right here where we peak and we go down. But when I hit this area right here, because of the way Ninja plots the chart, we go from 12 p.m. on Monday, where the Globex session closes, back to 1800 right away, and that will pick up the start of the trading week from Monday night, then into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. So what we're going to be looking at here, when the real trading activity starts, we're going to have a peak on the blue line around 21:05 tomorrow night. Okay, then both lines get in sync at about 10:30, and we're going to push down into potentially a low here at 3:30. Now you can see the lowest peak on the green line is right here at about 3:30 p.m. on Tuesday. But we're getting locked into a kind of a flat line where I've drawn this rectangle, and that carries into Wednesday to about the time of the day session close. So this is probably going to be mostly a choppy area. Put it this way: the likelihood is for this to be a choppy area. And then I would concentrate on the blue line pivots along with the other tools, but we're going to have a key pivot point around 747 on the 7th, 1024, and then again at 1547. Then late in the evening, we bottom out here at 2237. Moving into the 8th, 1:03 a.m., and then we peak out on the 8th at about 1345, 1:45 in the afternoon. So then late in the day, both lines sync up, and we've got an uptrend from the time of the close on the 8th up until about 9:30 that evening. Then we've got a blue line bottom just after midnight between 12 and 1 in the morning. And then the blue line pushes up. The green line peaks here about 3:48 on the 9th. The blue line peaks at 7:06. And at that point, both lines are in sync to the downside from 7 a.m. on the 9th until about noon in the morning there. Then we push up a little bit, and then the green line turns down heavily on the 9th and goes down all the way to the late Friday afternoon between 12:23 and 3 p.m. So we've got a wide window there. We get a peak on the blue line then on about 38 minutes after midnight on Friday, and then we've got both lines with pretty good down pressure here. So that's when you see this type of thing, that's the area you want to look for. If the market's making a high in the price action here in this area, you definitely would want to take that short. When the two lines are pitched hard together, you're going to get your really good trend activity. So those are kind of the key points. You can refer back to this during the course of the week to see how this plays out. This area here on Thursday is a little bit choppy. We've got a congestion area here, and then we've got the divergence on the two lines until they sync together. So we'll see how this little area here Thursday night pans out. But as we get into the morning session here, both the lines are going to be in sync at about the time of the European Open. So we should get some good downside pressure at least until about 10 o'clock in the morning. It may, carry all the way over into the afternoon. So that's kind of what things are looking at for the week. Tomorrow is the holiday Monday. Going to be light action trading. I'll come out with a video tomorrow though and put out some turn times for Tuesday. So maybe I'll put out the rainbow and the pH. I'll give you one tomorrow and the other one Tuesday morning, and then you'll be able to see all the pivot times for the week, and then any important timing windows that are coming up I'll include into one of those two videos. So that's it. There's your Astro Excel trend for the week. We'll be back again tomorrow with another video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. We appreciate it.